How to save money on nice American Museum of Natural History tickets. Are you planning a visit to the American Museum of Natural History in New York City and wondering how to save some cash on tickets? You're in luck because there are several smart ways to keep your budget in check while enjoying this iconic museum. First, if you are a resident of New York State, you can take advantage of the pay what you wish option. Just show a valid identification and pay any amount for general admission tickets. This is a fantastic opportunity for locals to experience the museum without breaking the bank. Next, consider using discounted online ticket vendors. Some websites offer tickets at up to 50% off the standard price. These platforms provide instant confirmation and do not have hidden fees. This means you can save money while securing your entry without any hassle. Another great option is to purchase a New York City pass or similar multi-attraction passes. These passes include admission to the American Museum of Natural History, along with other popular attractions in the city. By bundling your entry, you can save around 40% compared to buying individual tickets. If you are a student, you can benefit from discounted tickets as well. Verified students typically pay around $22 for admission. Just verify your student status either online or at the museum for this discount. For those who plan to visit frequently, becoming a museum member might be the best choice. Membership grants free admission to all exhibitions and special events. While there is an upfront cost, it can be a cost-effective option for regular visitors. Don't forget to buy your tickets in advance online. This can sometimes lead to lower prices and quicker entry, allowing you to skip the long lines. Lastly, consider visiting during off-peak times. While this may not always guarantee discounts, visiting on less busy days or hours might give you better chances for special offers or availability. By combining these strategies, especially for New Yorkers eligible for pay what you wish pricing or those using the City Pass, you can significantly reduce the cost of experiencing the museum's amazing exhibits, including its famous dinosaur fossils, stunning gems, and captivating planetarium shows. Enjoy your visit.